In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your subtitles language on YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and enable subtitles on. Currently, if I play this video, there are no subtitles, and to enable them, just go ahead and click on CC, which is short form of subtitles or closed caption. So if I turn this on, now you can see we have subtitles available for this video. However, by default, these subtitles are in English. If you want to change this into a different language, then it is pretty simple. Just head over to this settings gear and click on it. Then go to subtitles here and tap on it. And this will give you more options. Should you want to change the language, go ahead and click on auto translate. And this will give you quite a number of languages that you can change your subtitles to. For instance, if you want to change this to Greek, just go ahead and tap on the language, and here we go. Now if I play the video, you can see the subtitles are in a language that is not English, and this is Greek. So that's how you can change your subtitles language on YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.